Hi everybody, welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today this nice little LSI roll up to your application or packaging line labeler. We're operating on 120 volt, single phase of course. Has a great little stand in here, allows you to move the unit in and out, up and down. This is your take-up reel running right here. You can actually stop that with your hand. It's just designed to put tension on the film web as it travels through. We're just, like I said, powering up the unit and demonstrating. Its controls are up. We don't have the manual for it, so we test as we can figure out. We're firing over here. You'll see the advance roll as that advances label once the product beam is broken. See it operating there. And then once this beam is broken, which we use to simulate a label being in there, it stops the advance of the labels, knowing it has one at a time. Very nice little unit, always handy to have for a lot of applications. You can see it has this long peel plate which will allow it to extend in as a wipe on as the container passes by. You can add brushes, air, things like that. Well, you guys who do this know very much what I'm talking about. That's about, we're going to put the dimensions on that. That's actually about a 3-inch high peel plate right there. So we have lots of equipment in process and packaging, so we do hope you'll visit our website at www.champtrading.com. And we look forward to hearing from you. Thanks for joining us for this video today.